Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make the Watermelon Paloma. First, add 3 watermelon cubes to your highball glass and muddle. Next, add ice to your highball glass. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Next, add a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, add a small pinch of salt. Now top with grapefruit soda. Next, use your mixing glass to mix the ingredients. Finally, garnish with a lime wheel and a watermelon wedge. And that's how you make the Watermelon Paloma. Enjoy.